One of the most anticipated smartphone in the world, Xiaomi 14 Ultra unboxing. Nice. Are we going to have a case? We do have a case. It's a hard plastic case with a mesh finish on the back, a couple of papers, smartphone itself, Leica optical lens. I have to be honest with you, I already opened this, but I accidentally delete my footage, so it's like second unboxing. Unprofessional, but it happens sometimes. Now we do have a 90-watt charger. This is for Europe. There you go, 90-watt charging brick and a cable, USB type A to C cable. Nice. Size-wise, is way smaller than the other flagships like Realme. Look at the Vivo, how big it is compared to the Ultra. That is a substantially bigger smartphone. And a Galaxy S21. Like that. Wow. It is a small flagship. First of all, I think this device looks awesome. I've seen the black version with a matte finish edges, and for me, now, white or titanium. Titanium version will be wow. And also, yeah, white. That's a personal preference. Anyway, the device is not too big. That's a big plus. Huge cameras. And on the right, we will have a power button with a little bit of texture. It's perfect. You can reach the volume button and the power button with a short sausage finger like mine. Volume buttons, antenna, on the top antenna, speaker antenna, a lot of antennas all around, SIM card tray, microphone, antenna, USB Type-C, antenna, and a speaker. Wow. Okay, it has plastic on the screen. I'm not gonna take it off. Check out those Leica cameras. Damn. And the smartphone sounds like it has tons of optical image stabilization. If your smartphone make it sound like that, don't worry. It's an optical image stabilization in your gorgeous lenses. The louder it is, the better it is. It's normal. 120 Hz will give you a smooth experience with a Google info. There you go. Such a smooth smartphone. Let me hit settings, and in the settings I hit about the smartphone. I can see this is 500GB version of HyperOS. If we hit display, we have a night mode, dark mode, advanced texture, reading mode, refresh rate. You can hit custom, 60, 120, app related or default is recommended. Let's hit 120 all the way. And of course, quad screen. Let me go to the camera and let me show you some stuff. Maybe something to... There it is, a Vivo smartphone as a subject. It's a beautiful smartphone, so why not? Correct the camera. And we do have wide angle autofocus. It's going to give you, wow, such a beautiful experience. We have tons and tons of features. We have Pro mode, we have movie mode, and video in 8K, 30 frames per second, extreme zoom. That's too much. It's just too much. A little bit. Wow. The share of details is amazing. We have photo with also tone of details. We have portrait mode. There you go. There you go, tracking me nicely. We have Dolby Vision. We have HDR. We have 50 megapixel, quick shot, direct to view. All of it will be in the next video. I will make a separate camera review for this smartphone. Direct to view is also pretty nice. You can switch the direction of the microphone. By the way, Built-in microphones are one of the best sounding built-in microphones. Fantastic. Warm sound. You can add the monitor or second camera if you wanted to. You cannot switch lenses during the recording in the director mode. With a regular mode, of course you can. But not in 8K 30. You have to go to 4K 30 or 4K 60. You can see you can switch from all the lenses. Anyway, let me show you some samples for photo and video. Wide angle lens. If you want to vlog from the smartphone, this is how it's going to look like. Vlogging style. You have autofocus in wide angle lens, so you can do all kinds of macro. Zoom. Fantastic zoom. And front facing camera vlogging style also. Pretty nice. Very close. I mean, if I cover my face, it's a cool trick. See? It's a cool trick. With the autofocus in wide angle lens, you can do all kinds of close-ups. Beautiful vlogging experience. And the front-facing camera is wide and no autofocus, but it is delicious. Oh, windy. Photos are stunning, especially at night. It looks like an APS-C camera. Damn. In a smartphone. That is a next level night photo experience. Even from the wide angle. It's semi-okay. The main lens is much better, of course, than the wide angle. But, damn. It is really good. Macro. Okay, this one looks better. Colors. More colors. More landscapes. A little bit of telephoto for you. Damn. You could download all those photos. Wow. From the description. Selfies. I even catch the airplane, which was far away. It was a maximum zoom. Impressive. Very impressive. Look at that car. And close-ups. How insane is that? And colors for you. And even more colors for you. And something which you are familiar like Pepper, it is oversaturating a little bit. Most of the smartphones do. Let's leave it for the camera review. Sometimes I still hear your voice. It's telling me you'll catch my fall. So how do I feel the ground? I wear my heart, you wear a crown. Wish I wasn't late to know. Stars don't shine when there's only satellites. I feel like hell and you're in paradise. I can control the camera with a smartphone. How cool is that? Let me sit close to that sub. It's a huge, fantastic sub. But this video is all about Xiaomi Ultra. And the smartphone itself is small, very easy to use. Way better than the other flagship like S24 Ultra, which is a huge smartphone and uncomfortable to use. This one is comfortable. And that's a prop for it. But a battery life, not impressive at all. I've started testing at 7 a.m. in the morning, and now it's 3 p.m. and I have 11% of the battery. For me, it's okay, I guess, but not impressive like in a Vivo, which is a bit better in the battery life. Maybe because the smartphone is brand new and it needs to adapt to my usage. Bear in mind, I am using those smartphones heavily. 4K 60, 8K 30, all kinds of recording. Like in 2 languages, or also comparison video with a Vivo. Yeah, it's okay, I guess. For now, in time, we're going to find out. Well, full review and the camera test coming soon. This is just unboxing. Definitely recommend this smartphone. Link in the description for you for trading Shenzhen with a very low price. An additional discount code. Why not? And choose the white version or titanium because it's better looking. At least for me. Thanks for watching and see you next video. Bye. Smartphone.